Automate labor-intensive engineering workflow tasks to prepare information for the shop floor. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides an innovative, automated production work queue that automatically prepares information for your nesting MES software on the shop floor. The automated production work queue starts with the capability to queue up small to large batches of your CAD models for processing. Once your daily production is queued up, Global Edge automatically matches each part file with the matching bin process to ensure the successful processing of information. This process provides the daily processing of daily production without human intervention. Global Edge helps ensure accurate and timely information for your scheduling software, including the automated testing of your sheet metal parts to make sure they can be successfully fabricated before reaching the shop floor. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.